Hey loves, the wig in today's video is from MyFirstWig. So MyFirstWig hooks you up. You get some flyaway tamer. This was actually my first time ever using a wax stick, and I have to say their wax stick is pretty good. So they also have a reward program where you get 400 points and then you're rewarded based upon your points. Also, it comes with some hair clips, a comb, and a pamphlet just on general instructions on how to care for your hair and how to properly use the items that they have placed in this little cute pink bag. This is also a wig stand. I've honestly never used the wig stand because I always just put my wigs back into this little cute pink carrier that they send their wigs in. So it also comes with a wig slip as well. So let's get right into it. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig, and let me just explain the whole blonde situation. Okay, so typically when it comes to bleaching my knots, I always let it sit, or the bleach sit, for about 15 to 18 minutes, just depending on how long it takes for the hair to lift. Honey, this wig, it literally only took 5 minutes, and I'm like, oh my god, this is too blonde. But I'm going to show you guys how I fix it in this video. Just keep on watching. I'm going to try to do a flexi rod set on this wig. I've never done this before, by the way, but I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm going to use a scarf just to tie around my head to make sure the wig doesn't move while I'm using the flexi rods. So I have several videos where I'm using my flexi rods, but like I said, I've never done it on a wig, so I'm kind of curious to see how it's going to turn out. So the flexi rods that I'm using, I actually got these from Sally's. I always say the purple flexi rods, but to be a little bit more specific, these are the 13-16 inch, and it does come in a pack of 10. Of course, I'll have the link below. So when I'm doing my flexi rods, I like to mist my hair with water, and this just helped the form of the curls form better and last better. That was just all the way backwards, but girl, you know what I mean. So I just actually roll the hair all the way to the top and just twist it. Like I said, I have a full tutorial on how I do this. That link will be below, but I'm just twisting the hair up, and like if you get like any little pieces that don't want to wrap with the hair, just take the hair, tuck it, and roll. And then sometimes you have to just hold the hair to make sure it all rolls in the same direction, which is very important. So I'm only going to use 4 flexi rods on each side. So this is a lace front wig. It is Malaysian human hair. The texture of this hair is silky straight. You get about 4 inches of parting space on this wig, which is pretty standard for most lace front wigs. So when you're doing your flexi rods, just make sure you're taking the rod all the way up to the roots of your hair just to make sure you have curls everywhere. And then of course I like to spray my hair one more time with water. So the next day I'm just going to take down the curls. I really do like the whole flexi rod method because it's just an easy way to get curls. It's heatless, so you don't have to worry about damaging your hair. So when you take your flexi rods down, you can just use your fingers to kind of twirl the hair back in the direction that you want it to go in. All right, so here's the trick to fixing over processed or blonde frontals. I take a little bit of mascara, of course mascara that you really don't care about, and I'm using the Benefits They're Real mascara, which I hate this mascara, and that's why I'm using it for my hair. But anyways, take your little bit of mascara and just run it through the areas that have that blonde color on it. And of course, me, myself, and I prefer to use a little bit of foundation on my part to just emphasize the part. To me, it makes it look just way more natural, girl. So, of course, when you're using flexi rods, it is a strong possibility that you may do a complete epic fail. Make sure you have a curling iron or a flat iron somewhere on standby because sis, I'm just gonna tell you, you might just get an epic fail. But in this case, it came out really, really good. I'm so happy that I finally decided to do a flexi rod set on a wig because I actually do like this. I don't know why it took me so long. I don't know. But anyways, this is how the wig looks like after I have styled it. These curls actually lasted a couple of days, given that this hair is originally straight. If you want to purchase this wig, you already know where all the information will be.